What the f? He made how much? You gotta be kidding me. What's going on YouTube? Eric Ellis Jr. with EricEllisJr.com, and who am I? Just a six-figure digital entrepreneur who is passionate about helping you take your business and your lifestyle to the next level. Now, if you want more valuable freaking content on digital entrepreneurship and how to freaking kick ass in freaking life, make sure to subscribe because I drop content at 8 a.m. every single freaking day. And if you don't subscribe, I'll freaking kill you. Okay, I won't. But anyways, what we're gonna learn in this video is how to generate $100 a day in 3 different ways that you can start applying freaking today to start getting results so you can kick ass in your freaking life. Let's step behind the freaking computer and get right to it.
So the first easy method that you can use to generate $100 a day starting today is called affiliate marketing, right? I'll just put AFM, affiliate marketing, right? And what affiliate marketing is simply when you refer other people's products, right? Let's just say company A decides that they have some sort of product that they want to promote. And what they do is they decide to allow affiliates to literally promote their product, right? And then once the guy generates sales, what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and pay you a piece of the pie, right? This is my pie slice. I know I'm not the best artist, but I feel like I did an amazing job. So the first thing that we have to do is find a affiliate offer, right? Now, where can you find an affiliate offer? We can find an affiliate offer on something called ClickBank, or there's other places that you guys can find affiliate offers like JVZoo or anything of that nature. But just to kind of give you guys an example, ClickBank is basically an affiliate network. You can find something that you're interested in and something that you'd be willing to promote, right? My current niche is internet marketing. If you notice, majority of my content is pertaining to internet marketing. So the type of things that I would promote is something like this, right? Now, what's pretty cool is that this offer is 75% commissions, right? And the average sale is 49 bucks. So if you do the math, what is 75% of 50? Let's use the calculator really quick. Well, I'm just gonna, just to make it easier, I'm gonna say it's 12.5. So 12.5 times 3 is 37.5. So let's just round it, let's just say 40, right? Now, how many sales a day do we have to generate? 40. Oh, I'm sorry. So 40. How many sales do we have to generate to get $100 a day? 3. That is basically $100 a day. So what we would do is we'd simply go to one of these networks like ClickBank. We'd go to promote. Once we go to promote, it's going to go ahead and give me, right, I'll put my nickname. I'm going to press create, and they're going to go ahead and give me this link, right? Now, there's different methods to generating traffic so that way you can start generating sales, right? All you need is 3 a day. And that's actually going to pay us $120 a day. Now, the way that we do that is we have to build a freaking following, right? If you notice, right, there's people on Instagram.com. I'll show you a millionaire affiliate, right? Millionaire mentor. So it's called content marketing, guys. This guy built a following of 2.7 million followers, and he simply just built up his following by posting quotes, using hashtags, and from time to time what he uses is he does affiliate marketing. This is a promotion right now. He's driving traffic to this link right here, and I guarantee he's making well over $100 a day. He's making anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 a day, actually, right? So that's one example. That's example number 1. Example number 2 is called drop shipping, right? I'll just put DS for drop shipping. Basically, what drop shipping is when item A, right? You find an item that is listed for a very cheap price, and basically people are willing to pay more for that item than what it is listed for, right? So you find an item, and basically what you do is, let's just say the item is 50 bucks, right? And this item that's 50 bucks, you're simply going to go ahead and list it elsewhere, right, for 150 bucks. So what I'm going to do is basically get item A, right, get it in front of somebody for 150 bucks. They're willing to actually pay the same amount for item A, 150 bucks. So what I'm going to do is, once they actually purchase, right, here's Eric. And I'm an amazing freaking artist. I know you can tell, right? So basically the $150, I'm going to go ahead and market this, right? Free marketing. Get them in front of this. There's platforms like eBay where you can go ahead and get them in front of this offer. It's 150 bucks. Somebody makes a purchase. What I'm going to do is use this 150 bucks. I'm going to go and buy this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and ship product A to Bill over here. Bill is some baller rapper, right? Damn, his eyes look cool. And basically, Bill's going to go ahead and buy this product because I marketed it so amazing, or I used a platform like eBay who marketed it for you because they want to generate an income. He has dollar bills, right? And that's a dollar, by the way. He makes a purchase with his $150. What I'm going to do is simply buy that $50 product and fulfill the order and ship it to Bill the rapper, right? So I bought it for $50. I shipped it to him. I get to keep the $100 in profit. Now, if you think I'm freaking lying, know this shit really works, right? Let me show you. So an example is Walmart. So I simply just searched up desks, and these desks right now are selling anywhere from $49 to $59, right? This desk right here. And this is actually a hot seller. Now, if you search the same desk, right, the same exact desk on eBay. Now, I'm in Thailand right now because I use these actual methods to travel the world full time, but that's besides the point, right? This is baht, right? So just to kind of do the math for you, what this is converted into a US dollar. Now, the shipping is irrelevant, right? It's 2,000 baht in shipping, but if you're in the US and you're shipping to the US, right, this is listed for $157. So with it being listed for $157 and I can buy it for $49, let's do the math. Just a quick math, that's 110 bucks, right? So if you were to go ahead and basically use the same exact image, right, that's listed on Walmart, or even if you were to use this image right here, you don't buy it, you list it. So if you notice here, here's a picture. I can list the same picture. Look, same picture. And they're selling it for 157 USD. And what happens is when somebody buys this for 157 USD, I'm going to go to Walmart. I'm going to make a purchase with their money, and then I'm going to ship. I'm going to fill out the details with the order on eBay. And then I'm going to go ahead and ship this to that person. And then what's going to happen? I'm going to make $100. So simply, I get to keep that $100 spread. Meaning they bought it for $150. I'm using their money to actually purchase it. And then I'm shipping it to them, right? And then if I make one sale a day, that's $100 a day right there. Literally $100 a day. Boom. And our last and final, number 3, how you can make $100 a day is creating a service-based business. Now, what is a service-based business? It's simply when you're providing a service to somebody and you're getting them to pay you to do it. Now, with the internet being so powerful, it has created freaking multimillionaires or even six-figure earners or even people just making an extra $100 a day like this video because they believe it or not, they have learned a service, right, that is simply easy that people don't want to do. And what these business owners do, right, here's Bill, the millionaire, right, who owns this business, and let's just say he owns multiple coffee shops. And basically he serves the freaking best coffee in the land. But all he knows is coffee, right? All he knows is coffee. He doesn't want to do anything else, right? And here's Timmy over here, who is freaking 15 years old, but he's addicted to freaking Instagram, right? He's always on his Instagram. He's always freaking doing Instagram. He's learned how to build a freaking following on Instagram. So what he does is he approaches his Uncle Bill, right? He says, Bill, are you freaking kidding me? You have all these freaking coffee shops and you haven't started using Instagram yet? He says, I know, Timmy, but I don't have any time for that. Well, you're making all this money anyways. I can help actually build a freaking Instagram account for you, or I can build some sort of social media account for you, and just pay me $250 a week. He says, how much do you pay an average employee per week, Bill? I pay an average employee $500 a week. Shit, well, pay me half and I'll go ahead and do this for you. Cool, Timmy, I'll pay you $250. And then Timmy's like, you know what? I can actually start a real freaking business model out of this. Because, I mean, if he's willing to pay me $250 a week, I mean, the average employee is being paid $500 a week. Why wouldn't he pay me $250, right? Now let's do the math. If I were to get 3 clients times $250 a week, that is $750 a week. And with that being said, that's $3,000 a month. Hence, $100 a day. So start a service-based business, charge them $250 a week, make sure you're over-delivering in value, and basically start collecting a check and generating $100 a day. And more importantly, $3,000 a month. And what's pretty cool is once you master any of these methods, right, you can do something called scaling, when you simply just rinse and repeat this process. And my handwriting is freaking amazing. You rinse and repeat this, rinse and repeat this. Oh my freaking goodness, I can't even. Rinse and repeat this process, and instead of making $100 a day, you make $200 a day, then $300 a day, and so on.
Now, if you enjoyed this freaking video, I need you to freaking smash that subscribe button. And if you don't, this is coming for you. And more importantly, also smash that like button. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment of your biggest takeaway. Drop a comment of which out of the 3 methods that you're going to freaking apply. And make sure to subscribe one more time, because I'm going to be dropping that fire content at 8 a.m. every single morning. Join the Wolf Pack so we can help you take your business and your lifestyle to the next level. I appreciate you for supporting my content. This is the spray zone. I'm spitting in the camera, but it's okay because I'm freaking excited, and I will see you tomorrow.